Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Subsidy. Subsidy means sum of money granted by state or public body. For example, a farm subsidy. A farm subsidy.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. Scrap all import tariffs and all industry subsidies. Now, repeat after me. Scrap all import tariffs and all industry subsidies. The second exempli. Government has forsworn prices and incomes policies and cut back subsidies for industry. Now, repeat after me. Government has forsworn prices and incomes policies and cut back subsidies for industry. The third exempli. The authors are right to argue that subsidies to businesses in agriculture should be eliminated. Now, repeat after me. The authors are right to argue that subsidies to businesses and agriculture should be eliminated.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
A new English word is created every 98 minutes. That's 14.7 words per day.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.